Here we are given 4 statements related to circles. We need to find which is the incorrect one in this question, not just maths. Watch out for English grammar. Keep an eye on their prepositions. Your on and inside. Keep an eye on that. That is what is going to help you. Now what is the first statement say? A chord. A chord joins 2 points on the circle. Is that true? Yes. The points have to be on the circle. They cannot be inside the circle. Please note that. So your first statement is correct. Now we move on to tangents. What is a tangent? It is a line which touches the circle externally at exactly 1 point. I will take 3 points. 1 outside the circle, 1 inside the circle, and 1 on the circle. If your point is outside the circle, then from that point you can draw 2 tangents to a given circle. But then if your point is on the circle, it lies on the circumference, only 1 tangent is possible. But then what if your point is inside the circle? Then absolutely no tangents, 0 tangents, because try drawing it such that it touches it externally. You will see that you will have to bend it. It will not be a line segment. It is not possible if the point is inside the circle. Now do you see which of these statements is wrong? 1 tangent from a point on the circle, correct. But then 2 tangents from a point inside the circle, wrong. So this is our false statement, but anyways we will go to the 4th one also. Now from any point on the circle, as I said, keep an eye on the prepositions on the circle. From any point on the circle, how many secants can you draw? Any number of secants. What is special about the secants? It has to intersect the circle at 2 distinct points. Do you see that? Yes. Any number of secants is possible from a point on the circle. Now before we go on to our next question, tell me which of these lines is a secant and which one is a tangent. What do you have here? You have a circle here and a point A which is outside the circle. You have 2 line segments. What can you tell me about these line segments? Which one do you think is a tangent and which one do you think is a secant? How will you find that out? If you have any doubts, try extending them. A tangent, even when extended, will touch the circle only at 1 point. However much you extend it, it will touch only at 1 point. But secant, do you see that? Once you have extended, it touches the circle at 2 points. 1 here and 1 here.